Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Canva and loading the exact image you want to alter. This ensures color and resolution stay consistent. Once the image is in your canvas, select that layer and click Edit Image to reveal effects. Now look for Magic Eraser in the panel. Use it rather than manual cropping because it targets pixels precisely. Make sure to zoom to 100% so you see artifacts before you erase. This prevents over-removal as you begin the tool. Once the tool is active, set brush size and hardness to match the object's edges. A smaller, harder brush keeps details sharp while a softer brush blends backgrounds. Click and drag across the unwanted element in controlled, short strokes to preserve adjacent pixels. As you work, toggle the preview to see what's removed. If you go too far, use undo or history to step back. This method avoids jagged edges and keeps the surrounding texture intact for a natural result. Finish by switching between erase and restore modes to refine tricky edges. Restore brings back subtle details you might accidentally remove. Once done, zoom to 100% and scan the entire image for halos or missing pixels, then feather edges slightly if the app offers it to blend seams. When satisfied, export as PNG for transparency or as high-quality JPG for flattened designs. If artifacts appear, reopen Edit Image and redo small sections rather than redo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.